All right, so we got little nubs. See those nubs? Okay, let's show you the code. So right here, don't fucking worry about that. Okay, in file 196 in high level load on bottom within here, this is just a cosmetic change here. I was just saying why this was 7 letters exactly. But down here, we got some error checking, right? Do not make this fucking assumption right here. And then here we're stripping off the eyes so that when we call our tile setting function later, it'll be easier to call. Here's room local X and room local Y. Here's a direction vector. And here's the amount of jumps from the head of the line segment. And by the way, we're doing point normal form. Okay, so right here is the number of basically steps that we need to do, right? The tile index max, and here's the tile index current. So we're going to use these to step along the line segment. And here's some more debugging code right here. Let's go down here. Okay, so this is a motherfucking band-aid because we can't do point normal form. So if we have 0 jumps on the X, then we have a vertical line. So we're going to use these kind of negative positive direction vectors, right? Now, if we're going 0 for jump Y, then we have a horizontal line. So we're going to use these for our direction vectors, negpos X and Y. So we're not going to directly use these direction vectors because on one axis we should not be moving, and these direction vectors here are either -1 or +1. So yeah, okay, if we get here, we totally fucked up. Okay, so now we're going to loop through every single index on our line segment and draw our line from the head of the line to the tip of the line. So we're going to start at the head, and we're going to move a certain distance away from the head to get room local X and room local Y. And then for the last tile that we set, it should be equal to the tail of the line segment. And then we're going to call the function we're wrapping right here. Okay, and then down here in the drug tunnel loop, inside of this triply nested loop, we needed to localize the line segment. So this is local to 0, 0. We need to localize it to 31, 31, which is the center of a room in our game, before we call this function, right? So now this function will be proper because we had to localize this. I screwed the fuck up. I'm sorry. Okay, like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here, go here. You are here, and I have to get the fuck out of here before I run out of time.